Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the present simple. The present simple is used to talk about facts, habits, routines, and general truths. For example, you can say the sky is blue or I brush my teeth every morning. To form the present simple, you need to use the base form of the verb for most subjects. For example, you walk to school or they play soccer. However, you need to add an s or es to the verb when the subject is he, she, or it. For example, he walks to school or she plays soccer. To make a negative sense, in the present simple, you need to use do not or does not before the verb. For example, you do not walk to school or they do not play soccer. Remember to use do not with most subjects and does not with he, she, or it. Also, remember to use the base form of the verb without adding an s or es. For example, he does not walk to school or she does not play soccer. To make a question in the present simple, you need to use do or does before the subject and the verb. For example, do you walk to school? Or do they play soccer? Remember to use do with most subjects and does with he, she, or it. Also remember to use the base form of the verb without adding an s or es. For example, does he walk to school? Or does she play soccer? Let's practice with some examples. I'll give you a sentence in the present simple and you will make it negative or a question. Ready? Here we go. She studies hard. She does not study hard. Does she study hard? They watch TV. They do not watch TV. Do they watch TV? You like pizza. You do not like pizza. Do you like pizza? Great job! You've learned how to use the present simple to talk about facts, habits, routines, and general truths. Remember to practice more with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you next time.